Hi, my name is Bahman Nouri. I'm a cardiologist and interventional cardiologist at Sequoia Hospital. I decided on cardiology when I entered medical school and ultimately became a resident. I thought what was really wonderful about cardiology is that it contains the whole spectrum from prevention to diagnosis all the way to treatment and surgery, all kind of from top to bottom in one field. I went to University of California in San Francisco. I had some of the greatest teachers and professors who I think their enthusiasm and the love of the field really rubbed off on me. I think that referring physicians want very much the same kind of thing that a patient wants. They want somebody who's available. They want somebody who can help give the kind of care that a patient needs and to do it in a fashion so that it makes it easier for them to be able to manage that patient. But I think at the end of the day, what a patient wants is a person to sit in front of them and be able to explain what's going on in the language that they best understand so that they can participate in the decision-making that pertains to them, so that it makes a scary process a lot less scary. I'm Dr. Bahman Nouri. I'm a Dignity Health Medical Group physician.